Hello, welcome back to Welshman Finds. Today we're back in the city of Chester. We're going to have a look around the rows and see what's going on. Have a bimble about. If you like this sort of video, please like, subscribe and ring the bell. The rows are very unique. It's like shops on top of shops. I think it dates back to Victorian times, all different types of shops up here. It's a posh one, isn't it? A lot of Victorian Georgian housings dotted about. This is very popular. I go here quite a lot for myself. Artwork at Chester. That's a good one. Anyway, let's move on a little bit.
Yeah, all right.
Was be a fan of the channel. Thank you. A few monsters. Yeah, like I say, there's a lot of shops, different types of shops on top of shops. I think they were back Victorian times. I think they done. A lot of shops up here. A beer shop. I don't drink myself like that. There you go. You might be able to see up the top different shops. Cigar and whiskey shop. This is very tempting when people go past us. Nice little antique shop this. All sorts of stuff in it. One of these steps here, I'll show you. See if you can find it. I'm not really sure I might have passed it. Yeah, I think I might have passed it. We'll have a look at it later on. Like a Persian shop. All that stuff. That's nice. Thank you. This shop here has been empty for a while. I don't know what the score is with it. I don't know. But maybe it's too dear for the rent. Maybe. Apparently these beams here, I don't know if you can see them properly on this camera, from an old ship. Used to ship beams. That's what was recycled in them days. Ah, cool. Ah. It's Sunday today. It's 8th of February, I think. 9 in the morning. It's still very busy now. Still. Little bridge here. Little bridge. Thank you. Little bridge. Something going on down there. Across the road we've got the Eastgate Square. It's a big shopping precinct, but it is huge. Look at the size of that place. And it goes right into the buildings. There's loads of shops in there. I think it was part of the Grosvenor estate at one point. They must have sold up and looks like it's renamed the Eastgate Square now. A lot of dogs that's tested today. What's going on? A lot of dogs. I just want to pan you around to this building in front of me here. Look at that building, isn't that amazing? That's cool. Down the steps, across the road, up to the next one. I don't know what's going on, must be some kind of dog walk thing, isn't it? There's a lot of dogs up that way. Maybe this one's full. It's all sick to death, this now. It used to be a church, but I think it's how people died in the early ages. And they don't want people walking along here, do they? Just right there. Do yourself a damage. Anyway, across the road now. Model shop. Nice but very expensive. Those things are in Chester. So just a minute ago, we were over there just a minute ago. I'm hanging on and see that. The Three Arches, I think it's the oldest shop front in Britain, I think. 1274. I'm walking up down these things here, I'm going to kill myself. Look at dogs, I don't know what's going on. I know it's a dog friendly city. Some cool stuff in this shop here. Got a suit of armour. Wow. Cool helmet. There's a little bridge we crossed earlier on. Loads of old shops along here. There's some jewellers here. Not locked up, making sure. Law and Sons, 1770 they've been going. Across the road. You see what I mean with the rows? So it's like shops on top of shops. Sometimes the resident apartments. And so everyone had to pay for the rent around here. This is like a jewellery quarter, this part here. Of jewellery shops, gold shops. So we're on the road, walking down Eastgate. Sadly, it's a state of affairs today. People living on the streets. Don't blame them coming up here, nice and dry. We do Harrods shop in Chester. Harrods Beauty. I don't think I have to go in there. You hear the bells of the... I think there's a cathedral off the tower. Campanology, I think it's called. I'm going to be picking that up on the... I'm going to have a walk up there. So this is the other entrance to the Eastgate. Eastgate Square, I think it's called. Because there's a lot of shops in there. Oh, it's kicking off in Chester. I'll look across the other thing there. And there's the sign. Eastgate clock. Yeah, so Harrods Beauty just open across the road. Anyway, up the steps. Just on the Eastgate Road, street. Just going the other way now. The boot chip. Boots in. Let's set the boots in. Been there a few times. Got asked to leave a few times, I know.
You okay? I'm not too bad.
Back in diners over here. Well, for a barbers, not cool. Down the steps again. I think along that way, so right there, that takes you to, I'm not sure it's all the shops, and I've never been that way. And those houses on there. Okay. So cross over. And the hidden alleyway. Over back in the middle of nowhere. Couple of bars. You've got a bit of a flood now. So we're back onto the roads where we started. Another little bridge. Cracking little cheese shop down there. Called cheese wedge, I think it's called. A lot of Tudor buildings in Chester. I don't have to worry about that. See you getting ship beams, I reckon. Down the steps, across the road, walk up the street. Going back onto the main drag again. More dogs barking. Look at it. That dog just barked right down at you. Ah, what? I'd say whatever you walk in Chester, there's always history. Something going on. There's the beer heroes that we were talking about. Ooh, fellas. That's going to be a dog fight then. The old crypt. Oh, fuel stairway. They don't make it like that anymore, do they? There's the sign for the rose. Go back up the Eastgate Road. I think we'll go through Godstall Lane, I think it's called. Let's say if you like this sort of videos, please like, subscribe, ring the bell. I know there's loads of videos of Chester and different people do far better job than me. Good story. Good building. It says the new Harrods building there. Harrods Beauty. They say, I don't think I'll be going there. Godstall Lane. And towards the cathedral. Still doing a lot of work in the cathedral. I think it's ongoing. I think they'll be doing it for hundreds of years. Oh, we're down another lane. It's a music hall attack. I think this building here has something to do with the cathedral originally. I'm not sure what it is. And hear the bells. There's the Chester Town Hall. Yeah, a lot of dogs in Chester today. Just come around the corner, the front of Chester Cathedral. Nah, one impressive building that is. I say I'm not a religious person, but the history, amazing.
One of the northwest.
These buildings on the right up for sale, 4 million. Got a few quid down the back of the sofa. There you go. Cross over. The God Squad are usually here today. Don't seem to be here today. There are some people. Stop. There's that tower there where the bell ringers. Everything's called campanology, I think. Like I know things, isn't it? And then when they're on full swing, they're loud. See what I mean? Loud. Not bad though, eh? Anyway, I'm going to conclude today's video. I hope you liked it. Please like, subscribe, ring the bell. I hope you can hear me. And I'll leave you with that. Take care for now.